People like that. Funded account, because you're gonna have training.
Oh, not yet. When we
But yeah, I mean,
all
people
that,
can watch it
for sure we're gonna end all that.
in the description. Next week, join the.
See, just trying to set up a couple things real quick. Let's see what we got here.
Put MDR Discord.
Why does it look like that? Why is the stream?
We see you on the chart.
Oh, you see me on the chart?
Yeah.
On the stream, it doesn't do that.
Oh.
That's weird. I don't know. Let me see. Let me try to fix this. That's kind of weird. How about now? Let me see.
Yeah, it's live. It's on now.
Yeah.
On the stream, it doesn't do that.
We can see you on the stream.
Let me see. Let me try to fix this.
Yeah, Jeremy, you know the.
How about now?
See that,
I'm
Jeremy?
trying to find the best one. I think this one's the best one right here.
Yeah.
Right? This is the best one? Let me see.
Nice delay.
This is hard to figure out these settings, man.
Yeah, Zoom must have been.
One day I gotta sit down and figure out all of these settings and all the little tips and tricks. I'm sure there's a lot of
Hidden things.
yeah, that I have no idea about.
Takes a long time. Experience. Yeah. And there's no technical customer service. So.
The only thing I don't like is that my screen is white. When you guys see me, I'm in the middle, or where am I at? I'm at the chart.
You're like at the left corner.
Okay. And then when I'm looking at the YouTube, I'm in the top right corner.
I don't know why. Jared, check out this on the screen. It doesn't show you on YouTube. I don't know if anybody else has it up.
Weird. I don't know. We'll see. It's all right.
See that, Jeremy?
Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it.
Keep showing. Okay.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, now it shows you. I think when you talk, that's
okay. I think it goes on YouTube. It changes the face when somebody talks. It'll change the face, right? And then on for Zoom, right here, I'm in the middle of the chart, right?
So maybe you want to mute us.
I can go like, can I hit the chart? I can hit it with my head, like go. Wait, let's see. Move, candle, move. Let's go ahead and let's take this serious now. Back to serious mode, guys. Okay. Let me go ahead and set up everything here, getting my charts ready. So I'm keeping an eye on the time. Can I get a 5-minute warning?
Sure.
5-minute warning, please, guys.
Okay, so we can share this. Yep.
Yeah, keep in mind today is going to be a half day, guys. More than likely, there's going to be a 90% chance I will not be streaming and trading on Friday. Today will be either calling it after the first or second trade, or we will be cutting it loose at lunch, right? We're not going to chase anything. So just because we're leaving early doesn't mean that we're going to force anything. We're going to wait for our setups. We're going to wait for our trades, and we're going to allow the market to come to us, right, guys? So with that being said, I just want to laugh here real quick, right? Didn't I tell you guys we're building a head here and the right shoulder? I mean, I promise you I said that, but I don't know.
100%. Yeah, it's 2 days.
But yeah, just getting everything ready here real quick, and then I'll start picking strike prices, and we'll go from there. Definitely And Q looks like they're trying to cup down here. Watching the Qs. Okay, Apple not doing too great either. All right. Just making sure I have all my major tickers ready. Today's the 1st. Let's ease into this month. Not doing anything crazy. Let's do what we've been doing all year. Basic fundamentals. Waiting for our
Yeah, 5 minutes out.
thank you, sir.
Yeah, good morning, guys.
Please keep in mind we are live on YouTube, so keep the back noise if you guys are listening to anybody else or any news or anything. Please keep that noise, the background noise, to minimal. Appreciate it.
Important news, 15 minutes after open.
15 minutes after open. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Alex, for reminding us. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
ahead and take a look at the
And-
economic calendar here. So
Mhm.
we got,
And
what do we
another-
got?
And another one 15 minutes after that. Mhm.
Okay, so you
One-
said we have news 15 minutes after the open?
Yes, and
Okay,
then
so-
30 minutes after the open, another one. Both of them
Got it.
are important.
Okay, so no trade the first 15 minutes, guys. Okay, we're gonna we'll start looking more deep into the charts at 9:40 at this time. Just go ahead and just take your time
1
to
minute.
ease into the market. Don't even think about taking any trades right now. Let's just wait about 10 minutes until the open, and then we can start doing our analysis. But we can already start looking at the higher time frames. There's nothing wrong with looking at the higher time frames at the moment. Give us more or less of a gauge of direction. Remember, we trade basic fundamentals, which consist of break of structure, just basic stuff. We're looking for structure. We're looking for structure to be broken. We're looking for structure to be built.
Hey guys, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. How you doing, brother?
Good, good, and you?
Good.
Confirmation and
Yeah, confirmation. Go ahead, Rob. Tell us some of the things that we wait for since we're here waiting. Kind of just remind ourselves and get the juices flowing in our brain.
yeah, like you said, the first 15 minutes it will make its levels, but look for these pre-market levels as well. There was a big wick down, and you found that it might go likely to go back down there, and then see how it reacts from these major levels. You have the head and shoulders on the long term, so that continues, could be a breakdown. So, but we'll follow the your MDR strategy setups. Play it safe because we had the big moves yesterday, like you said. Yeah,
Smart,
good.
very
Keep that
smart.
positive.
I love it, bro. I love it, brother. 100% everything he said. We had a great day, big move yesterday. We looked and we did some historical data digging, and we found and we were able to capitalize on that 5-point move. Say what you say. I don't care. We got that 5-point move. You can ask anybody. We called that out days before. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna call today again. I'm gonna tell you guys today there's gonna be a nice direction as well, but it's gonna chop and mess up a lot of people before it goes. So we're just gonna stay patient. If we don't get our direction before lunchtime, then it is what it is. I'm gonna be minimizing my risk today. I'm gonna be half sizing. I will be starting the day with SPY. Half size, always starting with the pilot position and then always sizing in after full confirmations. So far, just by looking at what's going on, I can see that we're ranging. We'll probably range. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens as I'm looking at the chart and getting acquainted with the charts right now. Is there any questions or anything that anybody wants to look at as we're waiting for the market to open here?
Yep, good.
No, good. Okay.
Yes, I mean futures. Any other when it gets in the middle of the shop or lunchtime, look forward to.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some levels here that I will. Hey Oscar, do you know that if there's a way that while I'm streaming, I can play music without getting like flagged or whatever for it? Like, cause it's so like, see, right now we're waiting for some. No,
I'll
I
research a little bit.
I don't think you'll get flagged if you play
It won't?
music.
Okay,
Yeah, I don't think you'll get flagged.
I just don't know how
When
that
you get,
works.
over thousands of views, then they start looking for that.
Oh, okay, got it. Only once you start getting like big and stuff like that, but we're good. All right, cool, got it.
Yeah, I think you should be good.
Launching this NQ here. Give us a 5 and 10 minute warning from the news, please, so we can start getting ready here. I'm just getting my charts acquainted here, guys.
Well, the one at 7 is PMI.
Yeah, that's the one I want. You mean the one at 45?
No, it's well for you. It's
So what's the first news that's coming right now?
the first news on the Forex Factory. I can't see it,
Okay.
but one at 7. Well, that's Pacific time. For you, it's what 8 a.m. or 9 a.m.
Yeah,
Yeah,
90
in 30 minutes, 30 minutes or so, right?
Yeah.
And that's the first one you see. There's another one I seen right here. Watch, look at my screen. Watch. This one right here in 12 minutes.
Okay.
45.
Was that S&P Global Manufacturing?
Yes, PMI.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple things that I see. Pay attention to this 5-day here, where the 5-day moving average is located. Pay attention to that.
Sorry.
We got 10 minutes till news. Yeah. Here, right here.
24 minutes
We start looking at the chart in 5 minutes.
or 25 minutes.
FOMC over.
According to investing.com,
FOMC fever is over.
news in
And let's see now.
10 minutes and then 15 minutes after that.
So what are they gonna release in 10 minutes?
PMI, and then afterward is ISM manufacturing PMI.
Yeah, I want PMI.
Both of
When
them.
is PMI?
Yeah.
PMI is first or second?
PMI first,
Okay,
which
that's
is
the one I
in
want.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Yes, that's the one I want. The other one I'm not too worried about. I'm just trying to see what they're doing. I can see this. Remember we trade structure, right, guys? So let's check this out. No? I mean, you guys see this? Anybody?
Yeah. The
5 day. Pay attention to the 5 day. I keep telling you guys. I'm gonna put an alert here just so I shut up and the alert tells you guys. Cup and handle. It could be a cup and handle too. I don't know. You guys see that? Hmm.
Slowly grinding.
QQQ showing sign of weakness. Yeah.
So a lot of people bought a put here,
I think they're waiting on this PMI.
right? It went up.
Watching this NASDAQ real closely
See
here.
how they play.
I'll show you guys what I'm looking at.
Small. So going up.
1 second. It has structure. So there's it's in conflicting algo, so there's multiple ways that it can go. I'm just kind of just waiting here. Let me show you something. Watching this NQ, right? We can continue here. Like we can break this double zone, or we can start to taper down and start to approach this 5 right here, this 5-day. So you guys know how I wait on NQ to take my trade. Five minutes.
This is a
5 minutes
previous day
to
high.
9:45 New York time.
Thank you.
And let's see what happens now today. For
Watch the ticks. Can you guys tell me something about the ticks? Where they started? Super high. Pay attention. All right, I'm looking at 485 short. And 486 long. No, actually 485 long. See what happens here, guys. Approaching pre-market high. We got 2 minutes. Staying patient here. Everybody is looking bullish, but I like to see the reaction off the pre-market high.
One minute.
Thank you. Watching these EMAs, waiting for a clean break of the 9 and the VWAP, waiting for the 9 to break the VWAP, waiting for a clean break of the zone, watching the reaction off the pre-market high. Looking for more of a long position, but I want to see the reaction off this pre-market high. Staying patient here, guys. All right, we broke above the 9 and the VWAP. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm looking for a long position here. I might be starting a pilot, just waiting for this candle to close. Waiting patiently. How's the news? Did anybody see the news as forecasted? Nothing, guys. I was looking long, but I need to see how this candle closes, and then I'll start a pilot position.
So for QQQ, move it a bit more. Final manufacturing PMI 50.7 versus expected 50.3, so it's in line.
I think it's like a dead pin drop
Slightly
silence in the
hotter.
market. Pin drop silence.
Let's see. I'm in a pilot position, guys. Just waiting. I don't like how we wicked right there.
SPY is trying the top
I'm gonna wait
resistance on a pre-market
for
high.
clean break here, and I will add to my position. I need a clean break of the pre-market high, and I will add in here, holding a pilot position. Holding a pilot position here. Oh man. This is not financial advice. This is purely paper trading. Please do your own due diligence before you take any trade. Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Holding one contract pilot position, guys. Watching the VWAP. Yeah, I got into the chop zone. Fucked up. It's all right. I'm holding a pilot position, single contract. This is gonna keep me from over trading. It looks like they formed a head here and they're gonna push down here. But I'm gonna wait until we have a clean break of the VWAP and the 9-day before I start invalidating this position. I'd like to see everything's bullish. The EMAs, the MACD, everything is bullish. So I'm gonna continue to hold out here and just wait. Holding a pilot position. I'm down 10 cents so far. $10.
Market trying to break the
1 minute
VWAP.
MACD cross.
Yeah.
5 minute
Yep.
MACD
So there's a
pinch.
gap to fill right here.
Watching
Yep.
this 50-day here.
Gap close
Correct.
is below.
Eventually they're gonna go there.
I'm gonna be willing to take like a
Let's see.
40% loss on this one. I'll put it. Oh shit.
Mhm.
Let's watch. Watching this 50-day here. Let me clear this chart now. Okay, so watching this 50-day. All right, let's see. They're pushing down here. They're pushing down. They got me good here. But let's see. Watching the VWAP, watching the 50-day. I'm not gonna jump into any position here. I'm still holding a pilot position. Let's see. Yeah, single contract. It's still holding the EMAs and it's still holding the VWAP. Two things can happen here. It could boost up real nicely here, or it could start pushing down because we got the EMAs jumbled up. So I'll be ready either way. I'll let you guys know. I have a stop loss right here at like at 40 cents, but I'm gonna stay safe here. Still holding a long position here, guys. I advise against over trading. I would just wait. I wait till this trade invalidates. Invalidation of this trade would consider a break below the 50-day EMA, a break below the VWAP. Then you could say this trade is invalid.
Bitcoin recovered, cupped up, so hopefully the bots will put money in.
Yeah, it's not looking good, but I'm holding very lightly, so I'm not really stressing or anything like that. If anything, this is the price that I pay for not over trading, so I'm willing to pay that little price. But contract's starting to go back up now, so. Package.
Yeah, the overall trend is really bullish. Just how long before it.
See what happens. I'm ready to change my bias at any moment as long as it starts breaking those levels and those EMAs. Man, that pre-market high kicked me out, but I'm gonna stay safe here. Yeah, they look like they want to push down here. Just waiting for this 9 and 20 to cross here, and then I will be looking. Look at this. I see this, right? They're waiting for the news. I see this, right? So let's see. So it could cut down here. So I'm not gonna, if it cups down here, I'm not gonna short until it hits this double zone right here, and then maybe come back down. I don't know. We'll see. Time until news.
5 minutes.
Pound student
5 minutes.
market is
5
trying right now.
That stupid oh wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, these guys look like they want to push down, man. I'm still holding my position. I'm down $15 on it.
Don't worry about data, really.
It's early and it's a single contract and it's in the money, so I'll give it some time. There's gonna be a move here. They're showing down, right? But I'm just gonna stay patient here. For me to get into a short position, I would need a clean break of the 50. A clean break of the 50. Five minutes. Should have waited. It's alright. I'm staying patient here. See if we get a clean break of this 50 here. Uh-oh. Five minutes. Yeah.
Cross VWAP.
We're staying patient here. Staying patient here. I got a stop loss below right here, so. Wow.
Coppin.
Watch the ticks. This is the max of the bear cycle on the ticks. Maybe let's break that 50 day here. What do we got? 2 minutes. Staying patient here, guys. Still holding that one position. Just waiting for the break here. Watching what happens with this candle.
Got 1 minute.
Yeah, I'd like to see if the if we break below the 50 day, get a clean break below the 50 day, I'll be looking to short here. Stay patient here, guys. Was that the news drop? Not yet. Data candle. Shoot. Be careful here. If anybody's holding a position, it looks like it's going to be volatile. Size accordingly. Manage your risk here. I would wait for the candle to close before you get into.
Oh, yeah. Sure did. Right when you said it, man.
Something's happening. Did you notice? Bears are getting
Hold on,
excited
hold
here.
on. Let's see what happens here.
That's that.
Bears are getting excited. POC on Apple. Somebody knows something.
Ten seconds.
Ooh.
Very impatient here, guys. Stay impatient here, guys.
Nice.
Oh, what the hell? They hit my stop. What a jackass. How did that fucking work? It's okay. I'm not holding anything. That's fine. Took a 40-cent loss on the initial move. So now I'm not holding anything. So it gives me no bias to no direction. So now I'm having a short bias right now because I need a clean break of this 50 and I'll be looking to short here. Just staying patient here. Man.
And dirty.
Yeah, nothing. Man, the first pilot position went against us. Sorry. I promised I'd still be holding it, but I don't know why that stupid stop loss hit me right there. I would still be holding this, but because it never broke the 50-day.
All numbers are harder than expected.
Oh. Ooh, let me see.
Yeah, it happened.
Yeah,
I'll post it on Discord.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Still waiting. I'm gonna get. Ooh. Waiting for this 5-minute counter to close, see what happens if we can get a clean break here. Good man. Man, this is why I said I'd still be holding this position, man. Talk to TOS. What the fuck was that? I don't understand how they hit my stop right there. It didn't make no sense. It's all right. It's just one contract.
What about the VWAP? Yes.
I'm gonna get the bag for that watch. Let me get the bag right now. Waiting patiently here, watching if we can get a clean break above the VWAP and a clean break above the 9 with the. We'll try again here. Even though I should still be in it. Just waiting patiently. You see this? What I'm watching here? I need a clean break above this. I need the 9 above the VWAP too, and then I'll start my position. And then once we break this level right here, then I'll add in. Let me see.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah, I'm waiting here. I'm watching what happens here.
Still a lot of volatility.
Yeah. Just waiting. Watching the price action, watching the volume, watching everything.
Yeah, might chop here for a little bit.
Yeah, just staying patient here. Staying patient. Watching the VWAP. I need a clean break of the VWAP and clean break the 9. All the EMAs are pointing up, so I promise you I should have still been in this position, bro. I don't know why, but let's not
Yeah,
rush anything. Can you guys keep an eye on the time? Tell us we have 1 hour until lunch, and so forth and so forth.
Yeah, with that volatility spike, you could trim to some good profit.
Beautiful,
A
beautiful.
lot of price movement.
Always.
Ticks neutral, pushing down. Yeah, cupped up fast. But
Yeah.
Distance, careful.
And listen to myself.
No FOMO. Yeah, sure.
I
Nice.
should have still been in this trade, bro.
Bulls are still, they haven't left. After yesterday, they're back.
Yeah, I was gonna get in at the VWAP again too, but
Like these pushing up.
yeah, I'm just waiting here. We got this where we rejected last time. We rejected here last time, good. So I want to wait. I want to see what happens when we get to this area. I want to see some clean candles here, and then I'll feel good about my position. But yeah, scary right here. Scary. I need a candle above the knot. Let me see what's that look like. Can't tell. Yeah, we need the 50 to cross the VWAP. But it's super bullish, man. I should have got in at my VWAP when I was thinking. It's all right. It's all right. Let's see what happens. Pre-market high. We should get a rejection here. Stay safe here. Oh, let's see. Waiting patiently here.
Take some max for the day, but still under 400.
Completion of the cup. Into a starter position here.
Yeah, stocks food. And Q's busting up, yeah. That was a good call. Yeah, Q's busting up too.
Yeah, be careful here. Watch the pre-market high here. We could get rejected here. That's why I took some profits there, still holding here.
Was that resistance?
I'm just waiting here. I should take my profits here, but I'm gonna minimize my risk. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah. Breaking pre-market. Unbelievable. That's good as it gets. That candle. 1 point candle. 5 minute. Staking on the 1 minute.
And see, I need to close above this pre-market high, man. This is not good. This is not good.
The upside of the downside. Oh. The beers. Why are the ticks still at? I don't know if they froze.
Oh. All right, I trimmed some. I'm still holding here though. You need this 50 to cross the VWAP. Get another push up here. This is a confirmation of a bull trend. I took a little quick scalp with some profits. Now holding. Then I'm gonna let my runners do the heavy lifting. Still holding runners here. I'm just gonna stay patient here and kind of manage for a little bit here until we start to get more confirming factors that this is bullish. This is the original trade I took in the morning. I don't know why TOS stopped me out. Makes no sense, but I'm here. I'm only holding runners now, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna use this level right here.
You think if it stays closed above that pre-market high, we don't need it.
Oh, if it stays close, if we can get a good close above the pre-market high, I'll be looking to add, man.
Yeah, don't worry about the over.
I'll be looking to add, but
Right.
just waiting patiently here.
And the ticks for a good entry.
Yeah, just waiting patiently. Make sure you manage your risk. Make sure you're not on the wrong side of the trade. We haven't had a full confirmation yet because we haven't had one green candle, a solid green candle close above the EMAs. But let's see how this candle closes here. I'd like to get a close above the 9. If not, we cupped up and expect to push down to build a handle, pick up some more liquidity to continue up. So let me show you where I'm gonna put my stop so you guys understand. Okay, so I have a stop right there at the VWAP.
Wow, good cushion.
These are runners, right? Like I said, I was able to scalp some nice profits at the top there. Now I'm gonna let these runners do the heavy lifting, and I'm gonna watch the you see where I have my stop is at the VWAP, guys. I show you guys this every day. I'm gonna show you guys again. Let me show you guys on this chart because I know this one's a little more easier to understand.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys the stop losses. Where I have my stop losses set.
Yeah, we're good. Leave it, thanks. Work on
I mean,
managing it. Appreciate it all.
you should not be exiting, right?
That's
Unless you hit one of these. Any of these should be your stop loss. My stop loss is the VWAP. You've seen me. You know what I mean? I can afford to let it pull back a little bit because I was able to scalp some nice little profits in my pocket. And now we let the trade run, right? And I don't know what to say, guys. It's what we do every day.
And use the MDR strategy rules to, yeah,
So I
manage.
don't know. I can leave it on this screen so you guys can see.
Last couple weeks, it's been progressing well for us.
That's it. I don't know what else to
In
say.
hard days, thanks.
Yeah. And then I'll show you areas of TPs too. I'll give you some TP areas. Is there anybody holding the trade with me, or has been holding the trade with me since the morning?
I'm holding.
Okay, you see these? You where my hand is?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm holding one too.
Okay, cool.
nice, Dima, nice.
I mean, do you understand the logic? I show you guys every day. I think, I mean, guys, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that should be like normal.
I mean, yeah, it's gonna be a pullback, but you know what I mean? Let me know when you're ready, CP, and we'll start doing that next week. We'll go over it this weekend, and we'll talk about, you know, we'll walk it through, bro.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
They're starting to taper here. Be careful. Let's see if the bulls can take control of this pre-market high. I haven't added anything because I want a clean break above here.
It's at overnight high. Yes.
Thank you.
Even SPY.
What's game exposure, CP?
486.
Right,
What's
6.
the magnet at right now, CP?
That's the one. 486 is the magnet.
Okay, that's where we are right now.
Thank you, thank you.
Uh.
Be careful, guys. Manage your positions correctly. Make sure you have stops in positive territory. You know, make sure that if you're exiting this trade, the trade is invalid, right? Keep in mind we came to a high, and we're testing overnight highs, we're testing pre-market highs. Just keep that in mind, right? We don't want to be over trading, getting into every other trade, right? If you notice, we've been in trade all day. We've been in a bullish trade from the start. Trade one was a call. I should have stayed in the call, but this is why I don't like to put physical stop losses. But yeah, I guess that wick triggered the loss. But it's okay. We got back in. We broke the VWAP. We got back in when we broke the VWAP. We were able to capitalize on these nice green candles. You know, enough to where these we don't have to stress on what we're holding at the moment. And this is what I try to this is the safe, easy type of trading I try to show you guys. You know what I mean? Where it's you're maximizing your profits and minimizing your risk. Not sure if that makes sense. Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
1%, yeah.
Like as soon as I start talking about that, they're starting to reject it, huh? It's okay. But the VWAP, bro, the VWAP. That's, you know how they like to do the VWAP. We watch that every day, bro. That's all I have to say.
Oh, that's it from this one.
Yeah, double zone here. So I don't. Oh, wow, beast. Let's see. They triggered one of my stops. Still holding though. Wow. I'm holding one runner. One runner until it breaks the VWAP. Still holding here. Just one runner. Watching the 50-day. The 50-day 50 EMA, right? Watching that for this last one that I'm holding here. That might be a area that I might add, to be honest with you. I might add to my position there. Even though I trimmed down here, I trimmed to minimize my risk, right? But I like what they've been doing off that 50. But if we can break the 50 in the VWAP, then I'd be wow, something's happening. Some news or something squeezing us down here. What is going on? Let's see.
Yes, is at VWAP.
Okay. Let me see. Still holding one contract. They haven't triggered. Okay. Whoa. Let's see what happens here. Waiting for a clean break of this 50, and I might get into a short position here. Oh my goodness. I'm just waiting patiently, guys.
483 magnet.
Yeah, don't go until it breaks, man.
Yeah.
Until it breaks the 50. If anybody's thinking to short, please, 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 please do not short until we break the 50-day. A clean break of the 50-day. 50-day moving average. It's the red. It's that red one. I'm still holding one contract though of long position. Holding one contract, guys.
Right.
Okay. Wow.
See it broke below the VWAP. Oh shit. That's a clean break too. Has a major level right here. Stay patient here. Holding one contract. Long position still.
Daddy,
How much time
you
to this
see
kind of
these
close? Oh, a minute 30.
balls right here? You have to put them straight on.
Let's see what we get. This pilot position is keeping me. I mean, this pilot position. This runner's keeping me from over trading here, from getting in and out of positions here. Still holding a long position. You know what? I haven't looked at the 30-minute chart in a while.
Looks similar. Work on that head.
See what happens here. Yeah, they're gonna. I think they're gonna wobble in this area for a little while. You guys see? This thing is not going down. Not quite yet, buddy. You guys see that, right? Am I showing the 30-minute chart? I don't know what I'm trying to show. All right, so you guys see this little. Check this out. But this is strong right here. I'll tell you that. Look at that. That's a strong, strong channel. channel, algo, whatever you want to call it. But they did, look at this, they had a swift hard stop right there. I definitely want to see what happens there. And they're trying to shake everybody out. You see why I'm still holding my position, guys? Does it make sense? I haven't even looked at the chart. Look at that. It never broke the VWAP, right, guys? Did we ever have a clean break of the VWAP? I mean, I'm not saying that it's not
No.
going to continue down, but staying patient here. I should have added. I said I was going to add off the 50-day. All right. Stay patient here.
Yeah, percent rate. Daddy, look.
Zone was, we broke right through the
Yeah,
double.
percent rate.
I had a hard time break
Big
above.
picture, so big. What's I do? Give it the.
Right here.
Yeah, no clean break below VWAP.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
I mean, I did sell some, and these, I'm not gonna lie, these
Boy.
candles scared me, and I got rid of one of my runners, but I'm still holding.
Yeah, me too.
Nice.
I
Nice.
added more there the VWAP.
Yeah, watch the pre-market high here.
In the view.
Yep. Got retested. We like that.
Also, it looks like we did touch the golden zone there too.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean from the bottom to the top, I did the Fibonacci and I identified the golden zone.
Nice.
Sometimes helps, you know.
Thank you. Thank you for calling that out. You know. Okay, we're about to break. We have a triple zone here on the Qs. We need to break this if we want to continue up here, man. And Qs are pushing, but the ticks are maxing out here. Let's see. I need to.
That's third time is the charm. Yeah. Yes, is basically going there third time. At high up, almost high of the day, right? Overnight high.
Looks like it. You can do it.
Come on.
Please look what we got. 1 second.
It's maxing out 570.
Good ticks.
All right.
It's trim more.
Daddy.
No, I bought some.
Oh, wow.
It's-
No.
Daddy, let's click more places. I can't.
6, 7 to 40.
Every time you make new highs, make sure you're trimming.
That was creepy. Christmas, Daddy. Christmas, Daddy.
Come on, go. It's also breaking the channel on 30-minute.
Thank you.
Yes.
30 seconds.
And 486 is still the magnet.
Ticks are maxed out. Be careful. Make sure you manage your position correctly. Make sure you have stops placed in positive territory. Stay patient here. Make sure you're minimizing risk. I'm gonna start minimizing my risk and going back to the runners. Let me see. Let me see what's going on. Let me take a better look at this chart real quick. I'm looking to start minimizing my risk here. I'm just waiting for opportunity. I'll start sizing down to my runners. Just waiting here, waiting for this candle to close. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ticks are. You see that the price follows the tick. Okay, I'm gonna start minimizing my risk here. You're just lagging, right? Staying patient here, guys.
It's having hard time crossing that high. Come on, make a push for it. Hmm.
Well, how long has my mic been off? Guys?
Or like the last 15 minutes.
This.
I'm not
It's
done.
okay.
5 minutes, it seems like long. Sorry, I just came back.
Daddy,
It wasn't that
10
long.
minutes,
Right?
10 minutes, yeah.
5 minutes.
there's somebody sitting on the
No,
ceiling
no, no.
chair. And then they sit on like this. Daddy.
Yeah, looks like it's creating the variance in 1 minute.
Yeah, it looks like you see this? I'm expecting it, right? Look at this. I always tell you guys about this.
How
I'm waiting for one of you guys to start catching on, but I'm always telling you guys about this concave, right? You guys see that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I always tell you guys about that, so pay attention to that.
Daddy, I love you. Daddy, Daddy, you don't sit like this.
See what happens here, guys. It's still in the same selling channel. On the oh, I'm sorry, showing the wrong chart to you guys. This is a 30-minute. It's still continuing in this channel. Oh, it sounds like it hit one of my stops there. Still holding though. Hit one stop, still holding.
Yeah, I saw most and keep on running.
I'm seeing what happens when we come to
Oh,
that 9. It might be an entry point for me to add. But then again, I don't want to add. I'm just gonna simply write these ones out. I'm gonna take out my physical stop losses, right? On these last contracts that I have. And I'm just gonna let it ride out. I need a clean break of the 9 EMA
Yeah.
and the clean break of the VWAP, and I'll be looking to exit these positions. But
Daddy, so you better
pay
need
attention to
any
this.
ice cream like this. No chairs around here. No chairs around here. Ow. Daddy, mom don't have money. She only have a little bit money. You have to work for us money for her. That.
Daddy always has to.
Just say, yeah, I need to work, so make money for that.
Dad's always the money maker. Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
kidding. I'm just kidding.
You have no choice. You have no choice.
Everybody does their part. Everyone does their part, man. It's a team effort. Up and handle here could be. I don't know. Let's see. Or it could be that could be a head there as well. Holding runners, watching the VWAP in the 50-day. See if they actually break it this time. They might actually break it this time. They might actually break it this time.
Daddy, I love you.
Love you too.
Oh,
I love you more. You're like, eat him. And I'm like, I love him up.
Сильно кричишь.
Watching this VWAP, the concave on the cloud, like I told you guys. Holding two runners. Patient here, guys. Yeah. No reason to, we've already made some money earlier. No reason to try to overcomplicate it. Staying patient here, seeing what's gonna happen at the pre-market high, guys.
the last candle was below 9, but still above 20. So still bullish configuration.
Yeah. It looks like we can retest another golden
Yeah.
zone. But MACD now kind of still bullish, but looking down a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Check out this trade that I took on NQ, guys. Sorry. Look at that.
Nice, nice.
I took it on my personal account. I didn't
Wait,
do
is it negative or positive?
it's positive, brother.
Positive, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was a little bit.
Yeah. Just practicing my NQ here and there, seeing what I can do.
Yeah.
Looks like we are going opposite. I usually have NQ on the side. Today I have ES on the side.
I just don't want anybody to overtrade. I want everybody to be jumping in and out of positions. You know what I mean? These are the type of trades I want to take. One trade, one direction, two trades, two that whatever, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Pay attention to something. I'm gonna point something out, right? We've never broke the EMAs one time today, right?
Yeah.
We never broke below
up,
the
so-
9 one time, not once, right? So why did you exit? I mean, now it's starting to look a little bearish because it's testing the 20, but we still have not broke. There has not been a clean break of the night. And you guys remember. I'm gonna always say this. The only way we can break that 50 is if the VWAP is crossed and if the 9 and 20 cross. If not, we're not gonna break below the 50. What happens is the candle will go down and it will wick back up. Right? It will never break. The 50 will not break. We will not have a clean break of the 50 until the 9 and 20 cross.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen that many times.
Does
Yeah.
that make sense? No, it's not. That's just what it is. It's never gonna break. The 50-day will never break unless it has the 9 and 20 confluence and crossing. Like you'll never see the 9 and 20 like this, like side by side, and us breaking the 50. You'll never see that.
Yeah, little small details. I mean, if you miss them,
Look at that, that's ugly. Holding these last two runners, seeing what's gonna happen here. We start breaking below the 50. I'll be looking more short position. I don't want people to not gonna call out. I'm not gonna call out the next trade that I'm gonna take because I don't want anybody over trading. I can see a setup, the same setup that's gonna kick me out of my trade and invalidate my trade is the same setup that's gonna validate for the trade to go down. I don't know if that makes sense. So
VWAP calling.
you're at cost.
Magnet 483.
43. Thank you.
Yes is right at open.
Thank you.
Wow, yeah. Cloud breaking support. Beautiful. Good place to trim it. Once the volume changes. It's at 3 levels down. Chop, be careful. Nice, yeah. Closing below the 10 seconds below the resistance. Flip support. Ticks holding good. Race this cloud.
It's gonna go.
Yeah, we got some nice volume too. And there's still at the market low. But yeah, volume coming. But we went kind of fast without any pullbacks. But we need to keep that in mind too.
It definitely, yeah. So not too heavy, but not gonna close. Ticks might be filling up. Yeah, that's a good idea to set stops at least. You want to let it run.
Yeah, something like that. Good job, bro. Good job. That's it. I'm done for the day, guys.
Few.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take any more trades. I don't want to overtrade. I was already over trading right there, but I got a nice little 300% scalp. No, 200% scalp right there.
Sweet. Yeah,
Yeah.
switch
Look at that. It's gonna keep going. Look, the 950 crossing. Man, I should have stayed in. I didn't have the patience. So. Man, beautiful. Good stuff, guys. Good day. Good day. Good day, team.
Yeah, we almost moved like $2 on the top.
Did we? Beautiful. How's everybody's day so far? I just want to ask around. How's everybody's day?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, I'm paper trading.
Good. How's it going though? Are you learning? Are you executing? Like what's up, Dima? Talk to us.
Yeah, I did a few mistakes like on I don't know, what was it, like on Tuesday.
Today,
I mean,
yeah,
I had
today.
one. I mean, today I was good. I mean, everything was perfect. Like, I mean, I got in calls after VWAP. We broke VWAP, got in calls, and I did sell them, most of them over the top, and then I left one runner, and I jumped in when again we broke the VWAP on the bottom to the downside. I
Everything
still
you
holding
did,
some runners.
everything you did was for a reason,
I
right?
mean, yeah, I know. Yeah, it was perfect. Yeah.
Wow.
So I was kind of confused. I thought we were gonna do ES, so that's why I had set up ES.
Oh no, remember next week, brother?
Oh, next week. Okay.
Yeah, we said we're gonna do next week, right, guys?
So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
did do one or two paper trades on ES. Yes,
Okay, nice,
and that
nice.
came out positive. I went with our strategy.
Yeah,
That's
that's-
it.
Beautiful, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah,
Great.
I'm
Oh
we'll
yeah, you
start
got go
doing
live.
the ES, like I said, we're gonna do the weekend session, and on the weekend session, we're gonna iron out everything and let so everybody understands what we're doing. We're still doing the same thing. Nothing's gonna change.
Your
It's
ticks
just-
minus 1,000.
Yep, it's
Yeah, nothing's gonna change. We're still gonna be doing the same thing.
Yes,
Just
483.
incorporate. Like yesterday, I took a trade on the NQ, and then today, you see how I took another trade on the NQ. But yeah, and then by Monday, this is gonna be the last time I'm using this setup. By Monday, there's gonna be a new setup, new screens, everything. So, you know,
Oh wow, nice.
to be able to
well, be great.
a little better, a little better.
Yeah. Mentioned a few times. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, sir. So since I'm not gonna trade on Friday, or since I'm gonna trade very lightly, or I might not even show up on Friday, depending. I think just the morning session. I'll get you guys going, and then I'll take off. But what is I'm gonna see if I can find a swing. I'm gonna try to swing something out for the next couple of days. Help you guys out. It's not financial advice. But let's see. I'd like to see what do we have here? Because my swing, if we would have taken that swing, you want to try this swing on paper with me, Dima?
Yeah, yes, sure. Yeah, I mean,
For Monday.
Long
Monday?
yeah,
Monday
Okay.
for I'm sorry,
call.
for Wednesday next week.
Okay,
Okay.
Wednesday next week. So we're gonna do SPY?
Yeah, we're gonna do a SPY one. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let me do this. Let me look at the charts a little bit, and then get an idea of some sort of structure and what the agenda is. Let me look at the economic calendar, kind of give me a little bit of idea of
Expiration on the 6th.
yeah, I'm holding no trades, guys. I'm done for the day. I was able to capitalize on all the trades that I was able to take today. Actually, the first pilot trade, I don't know what happened, but TOS stop lost me out, but ended up waiting for our opportunity. We broke the VWAP. I entered back in, and then I was able to, as this trade was invalidating against me, the runner, I was able to exit the runner at the VWAP and enter into a short side position, and I was able to capitalize almost 200% on that quick short.
Nice.
I did not want to call that out because I don't want you guys over trading. That was a little bit more of a difficult trade. You know, that contract was cost a little bit.
Yeah, you don't want to call out, but I mean, if you guys, doing the MDR thing.
Oh yeah, you already know. You already know.
You already know. Yes, that's what I meant. You already know what to do.
You should already know what I'm doing. You know, it's the same thing. It's not a secret. Every day is the same.
Yeah. We're just repeating it.
Yes, sir. Let's see what we can see if we can take a swing. I like to start sharpening my swing game, so we can start taking like 2-3 day or week swings, and it's all the same. It's all the same technical analysis, but just on a higher time frame.
Frame. Yeah.
So this is gonna be another thing that I'm gonna be working on as well, because I have a lot of students that aren't here, that don't day trade with us, but they like to swing and they like to take longer trades like that. So I need to feed their appetite. So
But by the way, what time frame do you use for swing trades?
first, I'm looking at the 30-minute right now. I'm just looking
Okay.
at the 30-minute just to kind of get an idea. But I'd say maybe you know, you can start with the 4-hour, right? And then just kind of look for your levels from there. I like to look at, depending how far I'm gonna swing out, right? Let's do a top down, like as if I was gonna swing.
But by the way, yeah, in 10 minutes, it's looking like a cup, and it's like creating like a candle right now.
Yeah.
Looking like, I don't know, I might be wrong.
Yeah, 100%. Usually I like to start with the 1 week, right? And you know, I usually take the first structure that I see. So this is a bullish structure, right? We have whatever you want to call this, algo channel, right? So let's pay attention to this that's been building here.
Current structure.
Yeah, so let's, there's a couple things I'm gonna point out on this weekly chart here.
Yeah, there was a nice, I mean,
Yeah, the
drop
9
from the top to the bottom.
broke
It was
the
like,
broke the 9, bro. It broke the 9, right?
Very beautiful.
It
Yeah,
broke
yeah.
I told you when the 9 and 20 crosses, it's gonna break the 50, and it crossed, and I got it.
Yeah, with that view
They
up
did it. Yeah, yeah.
both ways, up
I
and
got
down.
it, bro. I promise you. You guys seen it. You seen it.
Yeah, I got in the Wednesday's 488 call.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Looking for,
You guys see my chart, the one that I'm charting on right now?
yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
All right. Let's see how the day continues. We're not gonna take a short yet. Oh. One second.
Yeah, doing those longer term, it does condition us, me better anyway, to hold the trade longer.
Yeah, not just you, brother. It's all of us. We all have the same problem. Trust me. It's just some people are able to deal with it and understand it more, and that's what I'm trying to get you guys to do.
Definitely helping us progress. Sweet.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you guys understand. So I see. It's like I know everybody sees it. It's like you can't unsee it, right? On the daily, it looks like we formed the head here, right? You see this? This is a daily chart. Look at this head, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So I'd like to see if we complete this head, right? But notice this too. Look at all these guys, right? What day is this? Oh, this is from December. So these guys right here are stuck, right? They're stuck. And they want it to go down, right? It's not going to go down, guys. It is not going to go down. You know why? Can anybody tell me why it's not going to go down here? I mean,
So
it is,
keep
but
them.
not today. Not today. You
Yeah,
guys
kill
wanna
them
know
right
why?
there.
This is liquidity right here, right?
Oh, well.
So all these guys from the month of December are still holding shorts. that are gonna
Oh, okay.
expire on Friday, right?
They want it, yeah, they want
Yeah,
to
they're
milk
gonna
them.
expire on Friday, right? So all these guys that are trapped in the on the short positions, right? There's multiple things that can happen. We can short squeeze up, right? We can short squeeze off these guys, or the market dips barely in there and comes back up, right? To tease these guys and wash out all the shorts from December. That's from what I see real quick. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Looks
Or
like
it's- and it'd be worse if it was the third week of the month, but every
Yeah,
Thursday,
look at that,
Wednesdays, and
'cause I
Fridays.
looked at the date. If you look at the date, look, watch. Let me show you the date one more time. So the date is December. Look, all these guys that shorted right here, they're all in red, right? The ones holding from the month, right? They're expecting all-time highs to push down and break the cloud. They're expecting that. But instead of coming down to make a right shoulder, they continue to push up. So all these guys in short positions are remember this is the first month of options expiry for the month. So the January contracts expire for January today. I mean on Friday, right? So they're
Yeah.
not gonna go high, right? Because they'll pay the calls, right? So they don't want to pay the calls, right? They don't want to pay the puts down here, and they don't want to pay the guys with the calls, right? So we're gonna stay in this area right here. We're gonna be in this area right here, guys. Man, that looks weird. It's like
Actually, the January one already went by, but definitely the weeklies they're holding squeeze. And after yesterday, it was nice. We got moves, but wouldn't expect a lot more range.
pick this up before they think my son's drawing on the thing. And I'm like, his son is drawing on the charts. That's how he gets his trades.
Yeah. Soon you'll be saying my oldest son. My younger. Have you thought of a name?
Not yet, not yet. We have not yet. I'll let you guys know.
No junior?
No, I don't think so.
Six test and support. So yeah, CP 483. Next up.
Look at that. Make sure you guys, if you guys taking any trades, you guys are helping each other, guys, please.
Yes, sir.
One more time, I'm sorry.
We'll do it, yeah, I'm so overextended, I'm waiting for 9 to catch up and or break way above 50.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Whoa. That was scary. That was YouTube. Is that how I sound? Man, no wonder nobody
No,
wants to,
you sound different when someone else.
no wonder nobody wants to listen. I wouldn't
Hear
want to listen
yourself,
to that guy either.
It sounds different when you hear yourself.
I wouldn't want to listen to that guy either, man. Sounds scary. I wonder you guys probably have a hard time understanding me. Blame you guys. If I sounded like that, sounds annoying. I guess you do. Your own voice does sound annoying to yourself, right? I mean,
At times.
Nobody's complaining.
sorry guys. I don't.
No, yeah, no reason.
But yeah, let's look at some. Let's do some. I'll do some trade ideas for if anybody wants to come in and has any questions. You guys can explain this right here. What this means. Some people will not understand. But these are possible positions, right? Let's look at some. Let's do some. But obviously, we would have to wait patiently here. And obviously, none, this is probably not. Let's look at some. Let's do some. I'll do some trade ideas for. These will be possible TPs. And has any questions? You guys can explain this right.
So
here,
that's
what
delay.
this means.
Who is playing
Some
you?
people will not understand.
I have it, but I don't have the volume on. I
I'm
think
sorry.
Jeremy
But-
might.
These are possible positions, right? What happened?
The YouTube has like a 5-second delay.
Yeah, it does. That's why when you have Zoom, you get the real deal. It's just you have
Yeah, you gotta
Oh, got
get
it, got it.
that noted.
This is
Yep.
This is how it is. Only the team gets the real stuff, you know?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but that's just how it works. But still, if you're looking at this like a 5-10 second delay, this is still a trade setup for you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So regardless, and then people might poke their head in here and say something or listen to us talking, and they'll like what we're saying, and they might pick up on a couple things, and then they might like to be our friend.
Absolutely.
That's
We
what
always-
good ideas,
Yeah,
right?
well, people do it and want to know about you. Just gotta find the time. I think they'll make time when they realize what they can do with it.
Yeah, it's just I know it's very hard to believe until you can actually.
They can see that you're there. Yeah, look back, you made a lot of time available and streaming. They can see your channels.
Yeah, that's the whole purpose, guys. I'm trying to build bonds, relationships, and reach people and try to help people. You know, this is the main focus. You guys are I'm building bonds and relationships with you guys. You know what I mean? And as the time goes and we get to know each other more and stuff like that, our bond grows stronger, and I'm able to pass some of the knowledge that I have, and you guys are able to pass some of the knowledge and experiences that you guys had.
That's it. That's working. Yeah. You know, obviously, changing your style of trading a little bit just to bring us all together as a team.
Oh yeah, 100%. And at the same time, it just sharpens myself. I'm not just changing it for you guys, but I'm sharpening myself, and it's you know, it's making me a better person. It's making me help people understand a little better. I know they probably come here sometimes or watch some of the videos and see me or see you guys and probably think these guys.
And I can imagine going back to trading by myself or in a group with a direction unified. Because
Absolutely.
sometimes people just need that extra push. Some people, you got to remember, as humans, we are creatures of habitat and creatures of wanting to be with other people and talk and, you know, feel emotion and stuff like that. It's just a human nature. It's just, you know, and as traders, this is our habitat. I mean, at least for me, it is. This is me. I trust me. I love it, and it feels so good. And it, when I make money, but it feels so much better, man. When I'm able to pass something, and somebody tells me, "Oh yeah, thank you, because of you, this," or "I understand this. I can see this better now," and that's for me. That's better than making money. I make money every day, guys. It's easy to trade. You guys, you know, as long as you have the patience and the discipline, and you have the setup, you have the blueprint, you can do this every day, right?
Yeah.
But the opportunity
Day and
to
night with the futures.
pass, the
Day and
opportunity
night.
to trade and pass knowledge to people is the you don't get that opportunity all the time. And this is the main focus and the reason that I'm starting to do this YouTube and starting to push out a little bit more, because it's not for the money. Somebody tried to tell me about I'm a sellout, I'm doing it for the money or whatever. It has nothing to do with the money. All the money that's came from the Discord, not one penny has went into my pocket. I promise you guys. All the money that I've ever charged for any type of mentorship, lessons, nothing has went into my pocket. If anything, more has came out of my pocket, right? You know, I pay the Zoom, I pay the Trading View, I pay the Discord, I pay whatever, right? I'm not sitting here to talk about that, but you know,
And like I said before, you put a lot of effort to
I put my own time
and
away from my
Yeah,
family.
yeah,
I got
yeah.
a pregnant
trade
wife.
our
I got a son. You know what I mean? It's not like I'm a single man and don't have a family, right? I got family, you know?
Yeah,
And
you're in
Yeah,
the
there's a lot of effort and energy
yeah,
consuming
pocket
too. So
and
yeah.
explaining so
Absolutely.
much that you could be focusing on trading. Yeah.
you got to also keep in mind the consistency. I'm here every day, guys. Every day, 30 minutes before market open. Can you tell me, since you've met me, since any of you guys met me, has there been one day you have not caught me at market open?
You're
No,
always
never missed. Never missed.
Can you guys tell me? What you know, it's just you know, and then I take the time to set up these lessons on the weekend, and you know what I mean? It's just you got to understand, like, I put my time in, you know, I
Yeah,
put my
yeah,
time.
yeah.
So, you know, it's only
Yeah, I was asking myself how Jeremy does this. I mean, every day consistent, every
right,
day
right.
shows up and never miss.
It's
I
frustrating
mean,
sometimes,
yeah,
but
yeah. So
it's a drive, good motivation, man.
yeah, yeah. That's something. That's something.
You know, with family. Yeah.
It's the commitment that he has. I've been
Yeah, yeah.
very because of my challenges, but yeah, we need to commit, and he's committed.
Yes, yes. He's keeping his words.
Yeah,
I mean, it's not easy. I mean, to like
no, not really, not easy at all.
do all this stuff, you know, because I mean, sometimes I feel like man, that's not easy at all. Like showing up every
Yeah,
day, teaching every day. I mean, we may, you know, we might tilt or something, and we might take it a day. I mean,
The pressure's
call it a
not
day,
on
but
us,
he
yeah,
cannot do it.
to answer all the time and talk. And when he feels the urge to trade on his own
Yeah,
for a
yeah,
little
yeah.
bit, because he's successful at it, he does come back and he's always available. Yeah, looks like it's cupping up to
I'm really,
recover.
so sorry. Yeah, I really feel like we should. I mean, we are lucky that we are here and we met him, because
No,
otherwise I don't know where I would be at this moment.
yeah. Yeah, right with you. CP and Alex will agree, sure. And some of the other people listening, wow, it's breaking up now. It's that resistance, but wait for our MDR setup confirmation.
Yeah, I'm very grateful for everything. Right there.
Mhm. Yeah, thanks. Oops, sorry.
Nice. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you guys can, just like anybody that's, oh, what is that? Alex, sorry guys, I have to get, no worries, Alex. We know that you're always busy. We know.
For confirmations. Or yeah, preserve. Yeah, we are getting some good movement today. So
Bond auction. 3 minutes, 2 minutes.
Squeeze
Bond
continuation.
auction.
one after, wow, those were movers.
2
before.
minutes. Yeah.
Next,
4 weeks and 6 weeks.
don't have too many positions, just for uses.
How much? Oh, we got 30 minutes to lunch, huh?
Yep.
All right. Let me see something here.
So that's why I don't know what that is.
I'm gonna go take a break real quick and then come back
Yeah.
and we'll see
Um,
if we can get one more trade, but not gonna force anything, and then I'm gonna call it a day. So I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll
While
go from
this,
there. And I'm gonna step away and call it a day.
okay. While the stream was at least running, it's a good idea if you want to share different socials and then say the Fridays.
Yeah,
Hit
for
that
sure.
link.
Share it.
Like keep sharing and sharing. So hopefully stay on a little bit.
Yes, sir. Share it.
Was it? Yeah.
Other socials and all that good
Trading
stuff.
groups, people.
I will be back shortly, guys.
Free Fridays. Thanks, Jeremy. And DM Jeremy or comment Jeremy for more info. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think Bill will mind. Group is private. Oh. Remember TNT Bill? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
What about him?
They had he and his daughter had the Telegram group FU alerts.
Yeah.
This is private now. I have to
Oh,
ask if and I can message Bill in the Discord if I can get in. It's good to see I remember before he used his EMAs, and there was one other and then the 20 for his stop loss. I guess
I'm not sure
well, I
what
thought
they.
knew there was some kind of indicator used that was newer. He was doing well with about a month ago. So that was his main one was
They
short
changed.
term.
They changed it.
No, I'm just saying the indicator. He might have added an indicator that was working well for him.
Yeah, but did they change it, or
I don't know for sure. When I went on to the Telegram group, it says it's private. Sorry.
yeah,
So you have to have
it's still part of our thing. I think
Discord.
he posted yesterday some,
Oh,
not
wow.
posted. Yeah,
In the channel, MDR channel of Discord.
MDR. I'm gonna look up where.
Yeah.
I don't remember where he.
I have his number
So-
too. I'll text message him.
It's the game thingy that our friend Oscar created there. Did you see that? It's
Say that
another.
again.
It's the game off topic.
Oh, I don't have
Off topic. He select
off topic. Oh yeah. Thanks.
So in off
He's in
topic,
Discord. Yeah, he checks Discord then.
Oscar posted who's gonna win Super Bowl.
Yeah, that's right. Well, the $100,000 coin flip if it's on
that's-
tails. So how does the house cover that one? They have enough, hundreds of thousand people betting $10 for heads.
No. No. I'm talking about the one below.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure. I just remember the heads, tails. if
No,
that
I
was-
didn't even. Yeah, no. The one below he posted.
Yeah. Okay. Right. It was Bills. Yep.
Yeah, so it's like Super Bowl, who is San Fran or KC. So
Okay.
so you just press the button. Which one? Like red is the San Fran, orange is KC.
Oh yeah.
So that one, he picked KC.
Hey guys,
So
you want
also-
to see something interesting? Check the YouTube video I posted in the chat.
Let me
Okay,
see.
in the chart.
Yeah, the Zoom chat.
Chat of the Zoom chat. Yeah. This live Zoom, not the Discord Zoom.
That's oh,
Daddy, what are you even talking to?
It's about game exposure that happened yesterday at FOMC.
Nice. Yeah, those are very important. This
I don't know if
YouTube-
you noticed anything like that on CP with your
Yeah,
game
you mentioned
exposure.
it a week or two ago how they changed from day to day.
yesterday it was going up and down, but I had I tried to program the indicator so that it plots it on the chart, and I noticed I tried taking absolute value and I had issue in the indicator.
Oh,
So it was not showing it to me correctly. I could see the numbers, then it was changing too fast, but I think it's
yeah.
good to watch this. I will watch it. Oh, it's only one.
This is 60 seconds. I caught it because it was like a live stream, so I caught it and trying to like bring the moment I want to make a point.
Also, the Thinkorswim chart, it's like 5-day MA, 5 daily MA. If you try to plot any higher time frame values onto your chart, it will start making squiggly lines once you start your indicator.
Oh, okay.
So let's say anytime you have to repaint, you go and say repaint the indicators, all the history is gone.
I see.
Same with this gamma indicators, any option basically indicator that we have, it doesn't remember any of the previous values.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so it starts from there, and I don't know, I wasn't paying much attention. But let me watch this and see what they say.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks.
Really cool. You can see, and this is why real-time data is.
Daddy, I love you.
Instead of, 1 minute refresh time.
Daddy is the best.
Everyone else. Right? We have relatively live, real live data, right? So look at this chart right here. Couple on boom. Look at that. 4870 went from nothing to 3.0 gamma survey, right? Look at that.
Daddy, do like mom's place and they get like
This is what I want to see.
two big purple.
Some sort of deal with this. Does anyone else see that? Please tell me somebody else is not. Yeah, no one doing about, I'm talking something. Funny enough, no. Whatever. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this type of things. Right? So this one comes from 4,900 at 1.5, right? Oh my God. 4870 comes in and it's
What the hell, man? Yeah, so soon, run up on 12 o'clock, we're gonna do cake for birthday months.
All right.
If you can, if not, okay.
Nice. Let's see what's happening here. We're gonna start calling it here soon.
12 o'clock if you do cake for police.
Let's see
Yeah,
what's going
okay.
on. Let me adjust
Right.
my charts here. Let me adjust my charts here.
Yeah, I told you at 12 if you want to do the cake. I'll have it like at 12 I plan to do the cake unless about 20 minutes. Thanks.
I want some cake.
Oh, sorry.
Let me get some cake. Oh, I can't have cake right now. Let's see what we got here, what we can get here. Let's see.
It is.
I've been gaining tons of people, but I've been losing all my friends. If I ever shall fall, I just take it on a chin. If you need it and I got it, then you know that I'm a land. Because I take a loss, that don't mean I'm you know, I never prayed, never been. I just know I got myself all the way until the end. I've been writing on my wrongs. I don't even need a pen. Meditating now just to keep my mind cleansed. Yeah, it's how you really gotta do. You keep your faith strong, you're gonna always make it through. Expect the best, so dog is really nothing new. It never start with them, it always start with two. Start with you. I've been working on this.
Stay patient, you guys. See what's going on. See if I can find a setup. One more setup and then call it a day. Remember, they like to move like 5 to 10 minutes after lunch. Remember, always catch those moves. So watching this pre-market high right here, using it as a gauge of what I'm gonna do here. The best spot would have been the clean break of the VWAP to the pre-market high. But now I'm gonna hold off and wait and see what happens here. Wow. Tapering from here.
Those friends be the one that sleep on me. Never thought your ass would sleep on me. Cause I'm spiritual, you think I'm weak, homie. I guess y'all just don't know me. But still, I treat you like my fam. I be meditating, nigga, that's just who I am. I be talking about who I was, like I give a damn. Like I'm that same nigga who was selling grams. But I've been working on this. I've been working on levels and it's just been mental. I be talking to their spirit, that's just what I'm into. I'm just trying to see them raise time. For that sister lost her kid and a new job. For my brother that be selling a little block. His brother just got shot, but his family all he got. But he feel he down bad. He don't got no one to turn to. But if he look inside, he gon' find out he a god. Damn. Why you shady for? I just can't ignore. I got a cut on my nigga because I wasn't sure. Everything be up inside that I for. If them niggas say I'm losing, I'm setting the scores. I go rap about the money, but that shit a bore. I'm diving deep up in my spirit, I'm trying to explore. Yeah, they rap about the drug, but what is it for? Preach it all to the people who give it the doors. I quit the drugs and quit the liquor, I'm cleansing my lips. They want me to raise their vibe, I got it to live.
See what we get here. This is looking pretty funky. Hmm. All right, watching this pre-market high. Let me go ahead and give you guys the micro chart. Not gonna call out any trades. This is purely for entertainment purposes. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before you take any trade. Looks like an inverted head and shoulders, but just staying patient here. MACD's getting into bull territory. The 9 is crossing the VWAP. The 50 is breaking below the 20, and let's start to push up here shortly. Let's see what we can get here, guys. Had big rejection here last time.
Absolutely double.
Sorry? This is looking bullish, man. Just waiting here patiently. Watching this pre-market high. Easy.
Rob, I put that email out. 12 o'clock.
Purely for educational purposes only. This is paper trading. Staying patient here. I'm seeing if we're gonna come down and build a handle or a shoulder before we continue up. Just watching this pre-market high here. Staying patient here. Watching the 9 and 50 here. Look at this right here. Watching this. Staying patient. Mhm. Mhm. The market makers called me. They told me to get in a call.
Yeah, as soon they follow you, they went up.
Yeah.
I just got out of work meeting. Market is already up, a near high of the day.
That was a crazy candle.
They called me the market makers, bro. Told you. Have you seen it? Waited for the pre-market high. I called it. I promise you guys. I promise you. I said wait for the pre-market high, and as soon as the pre-market high is broken, I'm gonna enter.
Yeah.
I didn't want to call out any trades. I just want to show examples of how we do this, how this is done, how it can be done. That was
It was yeah, I saw that, yeah.
you were able to see that one, Dima? Did you see how I executed
Yeah.
that? You understand that trade?
Uh,
Or everything?
Yeah, you enter right. You saw that it's breaking pre-market high of high volume, and that's it. And it was bullish from the beginning too.
What's up with my brother Oscar? Is Oscar there? I haven't heard from him all
Still
day.
on.
All right.
Nice,
I got music.
Nice. You see this, Oscar, right? You see this shit?
I see it. Oh, I see that. I got out though.
I know. No, I'm not saying I don't want to call out any trades. That I only called one trade, bro. That's it. I don't want to call any more.
Oh yeah, I had got in at the when the 9 and the 20 crossed the VWAP.
Beautiful. Look at
Yeah.
that.
So I took it. I just got out when it met I think it was the resistance at like 486 for a little bit, and it just kept pushing. But with options, I'm fine with that. We took
No,
euro.
you take your profits, brother. You take your profits when you're good. That's what it is.
We took that, and then we took euro in the morning, so we're good.
Beautiful.
We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good for the day.
Nice, brother. Good stuff. Little by little. Look, this is a 600% trade, Oscar. Look, I used $1.60, $165 to make 450.
Nice.
I'm just working on everything you talk about with the options, because obviously it's a different approach than what I usually do.
Yeah.
So just working on I ain't even looking at the numbers. I'm just looking at how everything is talked about and mastering that, and I'm fine with what we took today, and the strategy, everything on point.
On point, you think on point? What do you think, brother? You really think so?
Everything is on point. The VWAP, even earlier when you didn't get out the trade, it ended up pushing back up and never broke the 50. I got the 50 on here. I got the 50,
Everything.
the 20,
Just
the
like-
9, the
Just
VWAP.
gotta pay attention, right? Everything I'm saying is like right there, no?
Yeah, everything is there, and then just the discipline of being able to trust it, and I wouldn't say endure it, but you gotta have the confidence because it works, and just stay in the trade, and once it hits that TP, hey, take the profits, and if it keeps on running, that's fine. You know what I mean? Like you took a winning trade, and that's the only thing I focus on when I'm working on the options. So very, very good day today. So
Nice.
everything is like I said, everything's on point. You know what I mean? Like you can't say anything about it. It bounced off the 9. When earlier. You know what I mean? So yeah, no, everything's on point. You know what I mean?
That's good, man. That's good.
Everything's on point. So yeah, no, I just had music on. I don't know what.
I just want to see if you're still there, if you're still with us. I know that you get busy sometimes, and sometimes you gotta step out. But
Yeah, nah, we're here. We're here. I told you I'm gonna be here these days, and then I just go get my daughter later on to take her to the dentist. But so far, wonderful stuff. Yeah, man, what can we say? You know what I mean?
I know
MDR.
everything's there, right? Everything was like live, like no one can say anything, right?
Oh no, there's nothing to say. You know what I mean? Like it's either you're not following the rules, you know what I mean, and you're taking a losing trade, or like you said, you're going against it, you know what I mean, and whether it's this right here, what you talk about, whether it's ICT concepts, you end up on the wrong side, you're gonna get
Burned.
you're gonna get burned. You know what I mean? So you can't recreate the rules. You know what I mean? The rules are the rules. The rules work, and just follow it. Follow it.
That's
I
right.
don't try to create anything. I
promise
don't
you,
try to
Oscar.
add anything. Whatever you have is what I got.
Nice. Yeah, I promise you, the rules that I have set up and the rules that I talk about every day, I promise you, I practice them exactly to a T. Exactly, I promise you. Or at least I try my best.
And then waking up, like you said, being grateful for everything, and meditating a little bit before getting on the charts, because if you don't get on here with a clear mind, it's not
You
gonna.
know, brother. You know. Look at this. It kept going, but I'm happy with my 600%. I probably could have made 1,000%. I don't even want to look at what the contract's at right now. Let's see, man. Let's see. I want to see. I'm gonna kind of.
I don't even want to show you the euro chart.
I'm gonna get upset here, bro. Let's see. Oh, I didn't. Oh, it went to 700%. Yeah, but soon NQ and ES is gonna be implemented. I took a trade on NQ today, bro. Nice trade.
I
And
believe
then I
that.
took a nice trade on NQ yesterday too. Actually, it was all right. It was only a $200 trade, right? But it was only one lot, right, on the NQ, right?
Yeah,
And
but one
then
lot is good.
and then today on the NQ, I did like a decent trade, I would say. You know what I mean? But just I'm noticing that there's certain opportunities, and those sometimes you get the opportunity at the same time when ES and ES and NQ is moving at the same time, or sometimes one is moving better than the other, and I've noticed that. And what I'm coming to find, like I don't want to mix anybody up or try to get too many people to try to do too many things, but what I've noticed is that when something's like kind of like when SPY's kind of chopping and waiting for NQ to break a level, or when SPY's chopping and NQ's waiting for SPY to break a level, you can kind of go from each one to trade. But then again, that starts to implement over trading, and that's not what I want to implement. My main focus here is the 1 to 2 trades a day, 1 to 2 decent trades a day. You know, initially taking your first profits, first 30 to 50% move. Then after that, let runners do the heavy lifting and keeping you from over trading. You know what I mean? Because you're not going to trade until you get rid of those runners, because now you have some sort of emotional baggage or sentiment to that position, and you cannot change your direction until you're out of that position. And for you to sell those runners, the trade has to invalidate. And it's all a mental trading psychology that is beneficial. You know what I mean? You have to look at it as like you're paying tuition on those last runners, right? For you to be able to hold you back from over trading or not trading. Now, if some of you guys are more advanced and have a better mental capital than me, just sell all your runners, but just don't over trade. You know what I mean? Don't be getting back in and out of a trade, of that same trade. Because if you ended up getting in and out of that exact same trade that you're selling your runners from, then you're over trading already.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, just in the overall trading psychology of not over trading.
Sir, 100%, brother.
Yeah.
I'm getting ready to wrap it up here shortly, and then I'll be calling it a day here.
Good run, good run, good run.
What'd you notice about the market today, Oscar? Can you give me like a little insight of what you noticed it did? Did it, like, to you, was it choppy? Did it move nicely? What was your experience of the market today?
For options or
Just the market, how it moved, period. Not necessarily like what you made, or just your outlook on how as far as the market.
I think it moved great. You know what I mean? There honestly, there really wasn't no choppiness today. Honestly, you know what I mean? It sold off in the beginning, and then it just it consolidated for a very short time, and it reversed. You know, and that was the market overall. Even like EU, like what's been happening right now with the Dixie, with the dollar, it's been in a whole consolidation of a range zone. So that range is pretty big, but it's staying in between.
Like, how long has it been? Like since January? The same consolidation that kind of SPY's been in, or a different type?
Since like mid-January.
Yeah. Same one that we made like 4 cups in SPY in the last week.
And it's just been bouncing up and down between 2 zones, and the support zone is broken out a little bit, but it pulls back into the zone. But that whole range that has been ranging, man, you catch massive trades. That's a 1 hour.
Nice.
So just on a 5 minute or 1 minute, like, man, bro, you're killing it if you're catching the tops or the bottom.
Were you guys able to catch those?
For me, I caught EU. I caught EU today. I caught EU yesterday, the day before yesterday. The only thing, the morning one that I was trying to catch yesterday, it didn't it was like 2 pips off from the limit order. But we're already up, so I was like, all right, that's fine. But besides that, the market's been it's been performing good. It's
Nice.
been good. Just following the way it should be going. Once again, if you're on that wrong side, that's is burning you big time. And once again, like you just said, if you're going into the trade and then you get stopped out, but you're like, you're still going against the trade and you try to get back in there and you get stopped out again, like man, it's just you're getting burned and it's gonna mess with your trading psychology. Take a step back, analyze everything, wait for everything to line up again and take the trade. And yeah, and
That's
yeah.
exactly that's the blueprint, bro. You just said it.
And once again, like earlier, I was listening to something and it said it was Denzel Washington. And it says if you're not even if you're failing, if you're not failing, you're not trying, and even if you get stopped out, that's fine, and reanalyze it, see what you did wrong, and get the confidence again and jump back in it. But until everything aligns, but you can't be afraid of it and be like, damn, what, I got stopped out. Just yeah, don't let that mess with your psychology. Like have confidence in everything once it's aligned and take that trade.
Yes, sir. Take that trade, brother.
Yeah, even with the euro, like I don't change anything. Anything that I see ICT do, I copy just exactly what he's doing. I'm
Yeah,
not
stick with it, bro.
I'm
Stick
not
with
adding
what you know.
to it. I'm not doing nothing. I see exactly when liquidity is taken. I'm
Beautiful.
not jumping in how should I describe it? Some people, I think, you have a support level, you have a resistance level, and some people try to jump in the middle and catch a trade, and it's like,
Oh, fuck no. You don't want to do that. That's one thing. What do I tell you guys all the time? Where do you enter? You get Yeah, you do not want to enter in between key levels. That is
Yeah.
you'll fucking fuck yourself up and get stuck in
FOMO.
shop.
and it's the same thing with ICT concept. You don't jump in the middle of liquidity. You know what I mean? You jump once it's taken, or if it's swept on the bottom or the high, but you're not jumping like, oh man, I'm gonna miss this trade. Let me get up in there at 50%. Like, nah.
Oh fuck no. Hell no. You're gonna get, like you said, that will just like what Michael, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just like what Michael says, fucking you do not want to do that. That is the wrong way to trade. I agree. Yes, sir. Is that what he says though? Do not trade in the middle of a liquidity zone, or what is it called?
Yeah, well, basically, it's a liquidity zone, but it's at 50%. So if you have a resistance, that's 100, and then if you have a support, that's 0. So you never get in at 50.
Got
And
it. Got
you
it.
could
Got it.
draw
Got it.
that
Got
in
it.
like there's a tool that you'll create on TradingView, and you can map it out. So basically, you'll call that top half a premium, that bottom a discount, but you never jump in the middle. Never. Even if you see it pushing up, you wait patiently. You wait for the time, you wait for the price, and then you take the trade. You ain't chasing price, none of that. None of that.
Don't chase the price, huh? Fuck that.
And that's the thing. Like when you ask me if the everything on options, if everything works, you follow it to the T. It works to the T. It works just like ICT. You follow what he's telling you, they work to the T. Like me, once again, like I don't speak on this sometimes because I don't recommend people um uh having for me in my mind, I split them both and I don't get them confused. I don't
Some people can't do it, is what he's saying.
yeah, and for
He
me,
doesn't.
like it's just uh I study hard and everything that's in my plate. Like earlier, how you were talking about, you have a family and the time you put into this. Like it takes a lot of energy, and sometimes everything that you have, it feeds you, to get these things down. And for me, in my situation with my kids, it feeds me to memorize this the way it should be.
That
Every-
fire, it's that fire in you.
It's that fire. It's that fire. It's man, I can't even describe. Well, you already know, my boy. I don't even sleep. If I sleep is like 2 hours. You know what I
Dima,
mean?
hey, Dima was just talking about that yesterday, huh, Dima? He was talking about he couldn't sleep. And I said, man,
Yeah,
it's just the
studying
beginning.
too much.
Yeah, I said that's just the beginning. You're gonna go through it. That thing is, we've all been through it. It's just cycles, right? It's just part of the cycle, right, Dim? Right, Oscar?
Yeah, it's just part. It's
Yeah, you get excited, you get down, you just gotta keep going forward.
yeah, for me, I don't man, I got 3 kids to take care of, and I don't want to sleep. You know what I mean? I don't want to sleep. I want to be away. Once the body wants to sleep, I'll let it sleep when it on its own, when it can't take. You know,
There's no
I
sleep
don't
for the
recommend it
wicked.
for everybody. You know what I mean? I don't recommend it for everybody, but the mental state of mind that I have and everything that I read, like I don't feel anything. You know what I mean? I just my goal is to master the strategies as they should be, not alternating. Just
Properly.
they're profitable. They're more than profitable. Both strategies and both technical analysis, and it's just mastering it to the T. To the T.
I think once it gets to that point, right? It's no longer the strategy. It's more the psychology and the discipline. Once it gets to that level, you know what I mean, Oscar?
Yeah, definitely.
That's what I feel.
Yeah,
I feel once you're able to master the strategy, you can. I'm not saying you can trade anything, but you can more or less put your mind to it and see if it works for you, and then you can tell, oh, this is gonna work for me, or this is not gonna work for me.
Like I said, I think might not be a coincidence that most of the people, when they become successful traders, they do have a psychology change and come to some type of new maturity. I don't know how to put it.
Yeah, I think you definitely have to be mature, and even though like I know what I know. I think Jeremy asked me the other day how long I've been trading ICT concepts, and that's been like a year, you know. But not for nothing, I feel like I'm moving fast. But I'm not gonna lie, I took a lot of losses in the beginning, but I'm fine with that. I took that. You know what I mean? I took that, and that's what's giving me the energy to continue. One thing I don't do in life, I don't give up.
With myself and I think some of the people here, he's been on for 8 months, and it doesn't seem that long, but yeah, we made huge progress. The hours he's put in, so yeah.
8 months, my
Appreciate it.
brother Rob, it is fast. Like when I read some of these trading books, like I was reading what was I reading? It's right here on my laptop. Hold on. It's high probability trading. My dude took 5 years of losses. 5 years of losses. You know, to be advancing in 8 months is really fast. It's really
Well,
fast, and
we've had, yeah, probably most of us 2 to 5 years of struggling, too, but yep, on the same track for you. Yeah, within the 8 months,
yeah,
he's good, and he's,
the thing too,
like you said, just the psychology to put it into play is the hard part.
yeah. And the thing too, that you need is that has helped out. And obviously when you trade alone, you're gonna fail. You know, you have to get a mentor, like Jeremy. You have to get or Michael. The difference with Michael is that you can't talk to him. You you can't talk to him. Um he just talks in his videos, but he does that for a purpose, and he tells you like you're gonna work for this. Like everything that I talked about is in the videos, and I make them an hour long for you to study. And if you're not willing to put in that time, then you're not gonna grasp my concepts. But you know, you need you need the mentor. Like you really
and the consistency with the amount on the same thing to master it, because there's so many distractions to bounce around to different indicators, influencers, you know, and like you said, if you're doing it on your own, you can take a break and not even realize, you know, the time gone. It's not a few days, it could be a few weeks that you haven't been focused on what you're doing. But we're keeping each other accountable, especially Jeremy. So yeah, that's what, you know, makes it really well as a team effort, you know, on a single thing and helping each other. Other people see things in ourselves, and I see things in other people that helps me so much. It slows it down and breaks it down really well.
Man, if you really think about it, it hasn't been that long. It's been what, since last year? Since last year when all this started. Last year when all this started. The Discord, everything. Everything.
Yeah, I'd heard of Discord, but it was about 9 months, less than 10 months ago that I even had a Discord account.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah,
That's cool.
yes,
But
missed out before, but
I didn't even know how to I didn't
community.
even know how to use the Discord. I opened up this Discord 2 years
Hmm.
ago.
Oh
they
shit.
don't talk about it much outside of crypto.
It wasn't that long.
Mostly all crypto people.
Tony opened up the Discord for me.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, I had met him. I was buying some shoes, and I told him, hey, bro, like, what you do? Like, besides selling shoes, like, he goes, oh, I'm a financial advisor, and I trade
Oh,
stocks.
he's a financial.
Yeah, so I think
Yeah, so,
another
so
media.
then, yeah, I told him, what's up? Let me get your number, and he was like, you get that. Yeah, so add me on Discord. I told him, I don't know what that is, bro. Like,
Yeah.
and
You
he
should go
he
look.
downloaded it for me and everything.
Most people, yeah, outside of crypto, the Discord is, yeah, foreign. Surprisingly. And actually, on the news, I bet they kind of target Discord as like a lot of scams. I've heard on the news, oh yeah, the FTX was you know, using Discord and Signal, all those encrypted messaging, so they can delete everything. Who knows?
No, there's a lot of people on here trying to scam. Like, I just mess with them all. Like, people trying to imitate Jeremy that hit me up. Like, hey, one copy of Jeremy's profile, and they're like, hey, welcome to the group. And I was like, can this person not see I'm literally in the admin? Like, is this person really gonna like try to like reach out? And I just mess with them. I'll be like, I'll tell them how long you've been trading or whatever, you know what I mean? And then man, and then once they reply, and I'll be like, man, how do you have the time to be really impersonating someone? And they'll just start replying.
Yeah, might be bots, but either way, it's a waste of resources.
That's funny. But yeah, I'm getting ready to call it a day here shortly, but
Yeah,
maybe
I'm just saying
another 5 to 10
preserving, because making the money's half it, and then preserving it just as important.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So let's look at this. Put up some BJ key levels here, and then I'm gonna start stepping away shortly here. But tomorrow's gonna be another day. I think I'm gonna come back in the morning. I'm gonna miss you guys. Maybe I'll start the morning. Then I'll let you guys take it over from there. Oscar, Dima, all you guys will be here, so you guys will be able to continue on.
Yeah. Man, last run was a really good run.
It was
Yeah, really good run. No bearish candles whatsoever for a good little minute.
yeah, beast. Look at that. Bam, 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 bam. I got out too early.
12 green candles or 13 green.
No, it looks nice.
And then I think another thing too that's very important that that you speak about is waiting for a level to break with a hard close. not a
Oh, about
wick
the confirmation. I think I've made that clear to everybody what a confirmation is. Like
with
if it's
a hard
bullish,
close.
yeah, a bullish I don't see. I just say confirmation. So bullish confirmation is a green candle break above the key level that we're waiting for. It needs to be a green solid candle with no wick, not touching the level, right? And then same thing for the bearish side. We need a clean break, red candle, no wick, below.
And I think that's very important to watch the candle. Like,
yeah. I can't hold you guys' hand and say, hey, well, I'm just saying, hey, when this breaks, I'm going. You know, you guys see that?
you have to discipline. Do you know what I mean? Like you know, whether it's this community or anything else, like you have to be disciplined to follow it. Like, because obviously everybody is in different areas. You know, you're not in person next to each other where you could watch that person click or be like, hey, or hear this. Like, you know, it's a little tougher, and you really have to pay attention to it. You know, but once you do that, you know, and we're human. You know, in the beginning,
Oh
man,
yeah,
it's hard
I
to
make
follow.
mistakes all the time, bro.
You know, and sometimes it's a human nature to be like, oh, you know what, I think is this at this level, but if it's not, once again, hard close, if it's not breaking those levels, if it's not respecting the moving averages or the VWAP, then it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
And you guys were talking about a clean break about, I mean, a candle of 1 minute or 5 minutes.
It depends. All depends. All depends what you're waiting for.
Oh,
How
it depends.
many
Okay.
influencing factors, but you need at the minimum of the 1 minute a clean close. You know, the minimum. I would. Now this comes down to full size and pilot position. I'll go in a pilot position when it breaks the 1 minute, and then once it breaks the 5 minute, I'll go into a full size.
Okay. See. Yeah, because I mean, if it was 5 minutes, I mean, it would be late. I mean,
Yeah.
that candle.
That's why it's
minus,
that's the difference between the
up,
pilot
close like
and
all the way at the top.
But I think I think I don't know, Jeremy, correct me if I'm wrong, but even if it was a 5 minute, if your levels are on the 5 minute,
it's the same levels.
that hard close
Yeah,
should
yeah.
still respect it. You know what I mean?
Any
And
volume.
so vice versa. If you were
Okay.
swinging it, you still need that hard close.
Yeah.
Yeah, those things that
100%.
line up.
100%.
Like you say, confluence gives you confidence.
Yeah, before they went up, that was a nice squeeze.
Yeah, I'm gonna start stepping back.
And then
a little bit, guys.
I'll
talk to you guys shortly before I leave.
Yeah.
Yeah, Oscar. That is 100%, 100% about. So, what is? Can you describe and explain to us what is a confirmation in the for Michael? Like, what does he teach in those concepts?
For my Michael's concept
For him to get in or get out of a trade, like what does he need? Does he need a hard close? Does he need the candle to go? Like what can you explain it to us? Because I'm not familiar.
For Michael and ICT concepts, to get into a trade, you need sell side or buy side liquidity to be swept. Like basically, how should I say? Man, it's because the terms are a little different and what you're looking for. Like, let me post this look, I'm gonna post this chart in the Zoom link. This was today. Look, check this out. So then that way you guys can see like what I'm talking about. Okay, so I just posted it in the Zoom link.
Okay.
Because everybody has a different confirmation. That's what I'm asking, you know. I'm just kind of curious to after the setup, I understand liquidity has to get swept, but that's the setup. After the setup, once the setup is there, what is the trigger, the signal for the entry point? Like, is he waiting for a clean break? Like you said, a hard, what do you call it, a hard break?
Hard close. No. For ICT, when liquidity is swept, we're waiting for displacement. We're gonna see some bullish candles, and in between there, we're gonna see a fair value gap with an order block, and those need to align with the liquidity sweep, and then you take the trade. And then all your profits, it doesn't matter, pullback or whatever, you're taking all the buy sides. All, like if you look at that chart, the buy sides got swept. That's 84 pips right there. 84 pips being man, I just calculated this the other day so I could explain it with the ticks. Man. Well, because every 10 points, every 40 ticks is 1 pip. Yeah, 40 ticks is 1 pip.
Yeah, so in SPY, I think it's 30. A 130-minute candle is 1 pip, or something similar, something like that. But yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, so even just taking a 20-30 pip move is man, that's good already, you know, to take 50 a day, bro, you're killing it. Killing it. You know, and that's what you're in those concepts with Michael, you need those areas to be swept for the confirmation.
See, I'm looking at this.
Yeah.
So that's his confirmation. Once those get swept, that's his confirmation to enter.
Yeah, and once it's swept, as soon as you see it going, if liquidity is swept on sell side and you start seeing it bullish, wait for the fair value gap and an order block to be created, and wait for it to pull back down, and then once it hits that key level and respects it, you're in. Boom. Take it.
So, once it comes to this level right here, this 1084, whatever this level is. This
No,
blue.
that bottom. Look at the bottom square, the first one, the
the one that says buy side liquidity down here.
No, down.
Oh, this one.
That one. Yeah, you see that little pullback right there where the up, right there. You see that pullback? That's your entry down right there. When it hit the square, the tip.
When we touch the square, yeah.
Down at the bottom. Right there,
Yes,
right there. That's the entry.
So as soon as it touches that, you enter, and then what is this would be the first TP, and then
No, the first TP is that one right there. Buy side liquidity with the fair value gap. That's first TP. And then the second TP is the one on the one on top.
Nice.
Up. Wow, that's a big trade. Nice one.
84 pips.
Huge.
So you got this one today?
I got out before the news.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got out before the news, and then because we're gonna start the options, so I'm trying to split the times.
Beautiful.
Before we start on here, I don't want to be in the trade, you know, and yeah, that's basically it, you know.
100%.
That was
You want to get caught with your pants down?
Yeah.
Pretty much,
Yeah,
right?
it goes fast. Or profits go fast.
That's the only scary thing. It's like on that one you have to watch it. You can't really, you know, because I've noticed that when they pull back, it pulls back hard.
Yeah, and there's other things that are taught on the like, so say it's a deep pullback, you could look for an optimal trade entry, so you'll use your Fibonacci, and as soon as it retraces like to a 75%, a 62, a 70, a 70, a 62, or a 75, 79, that's your other entry with the Fibonacci. And once it because it'll be a deep pullback, but that's why you're using the Fibonacci. And once it's that deep pullback, you'll see it respect that level, and you enter the trade.
Fire. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and patience. All work play out.
Yeah, like right now, there's no if you're trading EU, there's no reason for you to get in a trade until 2 p.m. Eastern time.
So they're gonna go to the 5-day, right? And they're gonna get rejected, and that'll be sufficient enough to make the handle. Right? This is 30-minute chart. Just by looking real quick, this is one hypothesis that I have. Cup was completed. A handle. We got the 5-day moving average here. Handle all the way up, and then a nice little breakdown. And this is my 2 cents. Could be wrong, could be right. That's the bearish scenario. Yeah, I know.
Right now that you're back, Jeremy, and there's another thing that I want to say that's important. I don't know if anybody does this, but like me like when I trade ICT concepts, obviously there's other discords I'm in with ICT traders. Um, don't ever be and whether it's options, if it's not, I would say with Jeremy and in this group, because he's the main mentor. Don't ever be don't ever be blinded by other people of what they're saying. Hey, we're going long, we're going short. If it is not a mentor giving you the guidance, do not pay attention to it, because it'll trade the trading psychology of you being like, you know what, they're going short, like let's go short. If the person is not profitable, leave it alone. And I've seen that so much with ICT traders, because obviously a lot of the discords have like post your charge, general chat. Hey, we're going short, I got chewed up, we're going long. None of these people are even applying the concepts the way it is. And I think that's one of the biggest things that can hurt you if you're not following the main person. You know, yeah, don't ever be blinded by someone else's guidance that is not profitable.
It happened to me for years. So don't
Well,
feel
that's why I tell whoever I can, because trust me, like I see some of the people post charts on here, and man, It's wrong. It's wrong, you know, but
Yeah.
everybody's in there just waiting for a call out in order to make a profit when it's like focus on the main strategy, focus on what's being taught, not what another trader's saying. If it's not the main mentor and he's not guiding you, don't take it, because you're just waiting to hear a call out and make some money when trading doesn't work that way. You know what I mean? It doesn't work that way. You need the actual guidance, discipline with what's being implemented and being taught, you know, and that's how you become a profitable trader. But you listen to a lot of these trade, your psychology could get like so screwed up. I ignore everybody, honestly.
Yeah,
Like then the mentors, I don't pay attention. Someone can tell me, hey, we're going long. If it's not lined up with the things, ain't nobody going long. Ain't nobody going long. Ain't nobody short.
yeah, and learn and even trusting someone, having a good mentor. You have to know how to do it on your own. If you can't do it on your own, or do it small enough to learn, you can't follow copy traders. Like you
Oh,
said,
no.
be everything.
No, sir.
Hmm.
Not do that.
See?
Cannot do that. I'm almost gonna sign out here shortly.
Yeah, me too. I gotta go get the daughter.
Guys, let me know like if you guys have any plans for the weekend. And if Sunday night or Sunday morning would be better.
Yeah, church thing. Some people.
Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the DM. Probably after church. After church on Sunday or Sunday night.
Cool.
And then let me know you guys' plan for the weekends, and let me know because I'm gonna watch this while I'm driving. I'm gonna jump in the car, so if you guys can tell me here so I can listen to it, kind of what you guys feel about next week and how we're gonna start incorporating futures more while we're still continuing what we're doing, and we're not changing anything, not changing the strategy, not changing the setup. We're just gonna be looking at two more tickers, and
Nice.
let me know what you guys think about that.
Man, for me, weekend, it's just my daughter, my kids, and back testing, seeing, reading. That's it.
Nice. Yeah, CP does a lot of back testing. You guys might want to share things that you like to use. Maybe some mention
Well, what platform do you backtest?
platform.
For me, I back test. Depends, you know, if I'm done cooking dinner. So usually the afternoons or early in the morning or just late at night.
No,
Like,
no, I mean, what platform? I mean, what you use to backtest?
Trading View.
Oh, trading. So you use like older history and just go over it.
Yeah, I use the replay button and yeah, just go back a few days back, like I'll put it on the daily and I'll put it back like a few days, and then I'll start mapping everything down and going to the shorter time frames, and even when you're back testing, following everything to time and price. So it's not just like, oh, let me click on the button. No, even when you're watching you're back testing, you gotta watch the times, because those are the actual times that you're gonna take the trades. So and then that way when you back test, you're actually back testing the way it should be, and not just not just clicking on there.
Yeah.
That was another good run right there.
But you are, Oscar, gonna go in the futures funded account next week? You-
For me to trade futures, I would have to get a Top Step account.
Yep.
Yeah, right now I have 3 funded accounts. So I get
Yeah,
to
yeah,
trade
yeah.
SPX, but it's not futures. It's just the indices. So I only trade SPX, the NAS 100 and the US 30. But my main
Yeah,
focus, what I
yeah.
usually trade is EU.
Enough going on right now. Family and trading, the trading job. Need to add. Channel to see where this might go. Uncharted territory, right? Oh. Yeah, it's getting close to the top of this vertical channel, what's it called? 491 could be a target too. Extensions. We can just raise stop losses and the upside go. Takes for a 1200 earlier, so they have a little more room to go. No, actually, yeah, or 1100 now.
Oh wow! Straight to the 5-day. Like I said, I'm full of shit. I
If
don't
it
know.
is, ooh,
Oscar's here. Oscar, you still here, brother?
I'm still
Yep.
watching.
Okay. No, I was thinking, right? I was like, man,
488.10.
because I got some of the guys in the mentorship that want to come and come visit me and trade with me, Oscar. And I told them, yeah, ask Oscar, man. Oscar
Yeah.
came through and I ate he ate crab. We cooked crab. We ate crab with my family. We traded and we chilled. Right, Oscar?
Yeah. Now we're chilling, man. I'm gonna be out there with you soon too.
Yeah, he's coming out. He's probably going to be coming out this month, sometime mid-month or maybe next month. But Oscar's going to be coming by to my new location, and he's going to be trading with us for a couple of days live in person. I'm going to be able to fine-tune him and help him build some good habits, you know, not try to push any type of concepts, because I don't do that. I don't push concepts. I push habits, routine, discipline, trading psychology. That's what I push. You have to have your own setup. My setup is basic market structure, fundamentals. You know, that's it. But yeah, Oscar's gonna come through. We're gonna have a good time, man. So let me know when any of you guys are ready, man. They're ready to take it to that next level. I'll when you do come, I'll spend that time, right? And I'll focus. I won't trade. I'll spend that time specifically on you that day, right? And I hope you fine tune. I'll set you up. I'll sit you down in my desk, and I'll let you see what my desk looks like. I'll let you guys look at my setup, and I'll have you sit down and I'll have you trade my setup. And hopefully by that, whatever, how many days you guys are with me, a week, 3 days, 2 days, hopefully by the end of those 2-3 market days that you're with me in person, hopefully that will be enough, or at least a starting push, you know what I mean? because I personally think that everybody needs that extra push to get them going. And once they get going, but that's just my 2 cents, guys, my 2 cents. But I'm gonna be signing off shortly here, just loading up the car, so I'll be back and forth. But if you guys have anything to say, even if I'm not here, just know that I'm gonna be watching this again on my drive here.
Big brother's watching.
Yep. I was listening. Yeah, just let us know any dates, and if it's okay, you know, sure there'll be a lot of. Oh, it's topping out now. Yeah, we are getting great opportunities for quick trades. And like my best day for the ES. Oh, you have futures.
Is that what you have too, Rob? Top step?
Yeah, I got the $100,000 account, so take me a little longer to reach the combine goal. What's it called?
I think that's good as long as you get to build it up. I think some traders try to knock that out within a few trades, and it's like you can't if you really don't have the and then you got to calculate too everything that I've noticed. Like when me trading the prop firm accounts, you got to calculate the size of the account of how many lots you're going in with.
Oh yeah, they give you too much to power to hang yourself, rope to hang yourself. And were you on that Saturday call? But I don't think you were there about 3 weeks ago. They mentioned some success. He has friends at Omar and an Asian kid. And,
Yeah, that's Cap FX Kyle.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. You're saying just these small trades, small profits, consistent at certain times. When like kill zone times, and don't be greedy. Don't even trade. When you get a couple losses, or because that's how they knock out. In general, traders lose, but also on those funded.
Yeah, I have Omar's mentorship and Paladins.
Oh wow, yeah, wow.
I have both of them. So
if you've been through the funded training, that was part of it. Remember, Jeremy shared his kind of a private Zoom, but I think he put it on YouTube too. But meant it to be private at first, and they were saying, just like 2 to 5%, which is like $50 trades. You get enough of those.
Not just that, like if you go like, risk reward ratio, if you go to a 1-to-1, I think some people's biggest mistakes on funded accounts is that they try to go for a bigger RR. Like when you're looking at right here at options, it's moving within a couple of cents to $1 and you're making good money. When you're trading the other accounts,
you get greedy with futures.
Some people try to aim for the big RR, a 1-to-6, a 1-to-7, 1-to-10, and it's like
it's nice. Yeah, happens sometimes, but when you see it, and then you go back and see how often it happens, it's right. No, not worth trying for consistently.
Yeah. And even with a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 on the other funded accounts, like with the 5 lot, depending the size of an account, or if it's a 100K account with a 10 lot, a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-1,
it's beautiful.
That's like $1,000, $2,000 already.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
Jeremy, you saying 1-to-1 is it's good.
Yeah, 1-to-1 is profitable. I remember one guy I told him, and he was laughing. I told him, bro, you ain't even profitable, my boy, and you're laughing at a 1-to-1. You can't even master the 1-to-1, and you're over here like I'm better than this guy and this guy. Like he was saying, he was better than all the ICT traders, and I was like, bro, then how come you're profitable like them? Like it's just simple as that. Like if someone's profitable, you can't say nothing bad about them. You really can't. You hear me? Like.
Small profits over time will beat big profits, any day of the week with those level losses.
You just
Compounding, powerful. Compounding's Unbelievable. And skill on a small level, you know, in order to scale later is what I think Jeremy shows day to day.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
It's so much easier with more monitors, though. I'll tell you that.
One more time.
Sorry.
It's so much better. I added another monitor.
I know. I saw.
But that way, like, man, I feel like how you say, you need the charts. You know what I mean? Like, it's tough. Like when you're on one monitor or two monitors. Like it's like.
Yes, sir. It sure is.
Yeah, Jeremy, still a one-man show.
I would have to agree.
Yeah.
That shit takes a lot of monitors, bro. But you get used to it. Your like brain adapt. Look at that. They rejected right off the 5-day, guys. So
Yep.
like
Oh,
I said,
yeah.
Hmm. Wow. Gee, I told you they're gonna do a lot of funny business today.
Yeah. Yeah, continuation. Yesterday's volatilities.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew
5,
it.
10-point moves twice. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Hmm. You got that? You got that?
No, well, I got the futures, like, you know, put the tight stop and riding the futures down to $500 so far. Just a, you know, combine.
Nice. Good stuff, man.
Yeah.
Just practice execution, brother. Right?
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, it's the last trade. I'm gonna downsize big time. Just
That's it. You're done for the day right there.
Yep.
Man, I'm excited for next week, man. I want it to be Monday already. No, just kidding, guys. We're gonna have a good week, guys. We'll get ready to do it shortly, and then I'll be taking off.
But that's what you go for, Jeremy, San Francisco.
No, I mean, yeah, but this is my.
Yeah. Can't help to.
I grew up. Let's just say I just grew up with these letters for a very long time. How about that?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I'm not a San Francisco fan, but I guess you can say I was a supporter of these letters at one point in time.
Good memories, I'm sure.
You know what I mean, bro.
I know what you mean, even if you add the numbers.
Yes, sir. So it's like you know how like people like they wear a certain color for a long time and then they get older but they still like that color, right?
Yep.
You know what I mean? Like I grew out of these letters, but I still enjoy these letters because these letters represent who I am, you know?
Mhm.
But it's a little some, you know. Some people understand, some people won't, but it's regardless if they're at the Super Bowl or not, these are I'm gonna always be wearing this hat.
They said they're gonna rig it for the cheat.
They said it was rigged. They said they called this out like 3 months ago. Canada bleeped it or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the people having recorders on them on their phones and nothing gets by. This Big Brother everywhere. Video doesn't catch. leak information. It could be done with not official intelligence. It could be fake everything too. So you don't know what to believe.
A big old dump on West Texas oil.
I did my best to try to guide the team and set good examples. Thank you everybody that came today and that watched and that was here. We'll do another free live stream on tomorrow. I'll kick it off and I'll start the day, and then you guys see if you guys can continue it.
Yeah, thank you for
what I was gonna say, you messed up my train of thought real quick, Rob. What was I gonna say? Yeah, tomorrow. I'll meet you guys back here at 30 minutes prior to the open. If anything changes before that, I'll go ahead and post it in the Discord. But everything's you know, still on point for regular opening of the day, and maybe maybe I won't trade, maybe I won't. I'll just step away and just get you guys started. Good week, man. Good way to end the month. Just wanna praise and give some of you guys you know, the acknowledgement that you guys need, that you know, especially the guys that have been here consistently every day. I know that you guys are learning, because you can't be here and not learn anything. You know what I mean? There's things that you're picking up, whether it has to do with trading or just life, period. And you know, we're going to continue to do this, and our community is just going to continue to grow, regardless if they're going to want to sit and listen to us about trading or just listen to us, period, right? But as much as you guys enjoy, I enjoy having you guys here. You know, I don't get no money for this, so don't think that I'm getting paid for any of this stuff or anything like this. I make all my money on the charts. You guys see it every day. But just please to please take into consideration when I go out of my way in my personal time. You know what I mean? It's like saying, like, would you come to my house and do an oil change for free, or change my tire for free, or do my brakes? I don't think so. So don't expect me to sit here, take time out of the market to do one-on-one with you and explain some concepts. You know what I mean? Of course, that's gonna cost money. You know what I mean? That's out of my personal time. But yeah. Good day. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Thank you guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow, 30 minutes to the open.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate your time and effort.
Yeah, have a great weekend.
Appreciate you.
We'll see you. We'll hear from you tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and then
See you.
Thank you, Jeremy.
thank you, Alex. Thank you, Rob. Dima. Rob, like you said, you wanted to continue on here, right? So go ahead and open the if you guys want, go ahead and follow Rob over to the Discord. He's gonna go open up a live right there where you guys can continue to
Study room.
study and communicate and have some screen time. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, thank you.
So,